welcome back to my channel. In fact, I don't need to do too much introduction. The lighting in my camera is misbehaving. As you guys already see, I'm going to be showing you guys my shopping haul. As always, you guys already know. You guys already know. Yes. So this haul is a combination haul, but it's majority Aldi. Okay, so it's 98% Aldi and 2% Iceland and a little bit of Asda. Okay guys, so I will say hello first, even though my camera is dark. The lighting is doing its own thing. Okay, yeah guys, so don't forget to smash the like button and let's jump right into this shopping haul that you guys love so much. Share it, okay? And yeah, let's. All right, my amazing subscribers, so let's start from here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, wonderful day. Today is Friday the 24th. Okay guys, yeah, so I couldn't go shopping yesterday because I went to work. Okay guys, so let's start from here. So over here we have some bean bag. Sorry guys, I'm not going to be able to tell you guys the price of some of these things. Okay, so sorry about that. I've completely forgotten to check my receipt again. Okay, but everything here cost me around 130 something. Let me see. Yeah, I'll tell you guys towards the end of the video. About 130 something, 140 pounds. Okay, so we got this sack refuse bag from Aldi. This was 90 something p or 90p, one of those. Okay, from Aldi. Over here we have some sugar, got 2 sugar, Aldi. Okay, over here we have some hot tea biscuit, there's 2 of them from Aldi. It's 36p for 1. Okay, so I bought a black plain t-shirt. This t-shirt is from Asda. I didn't get a lot of things from Asda. The bag I put it as make it look so have some bits on it. Okay, so I bought the top, the plain t-shirt. It's a plain black t-shirt, 2 for £6. 2 for £6. Okay, so you can see 2 for £6 from Asda for my work. Okay, I have to wear this until I get my uniform. Okay, so there's 2 for £6. Okay, and then over here we have more biscuits. Just thought I will show you guys the biscuit section first. So we have our shortbread biscuit. We got 3 of them here, and then we have some rich tea biscuit. We got 2 rich tea biscuits. And over here we have our digestive biscuit. There's 3 digestive biscuits. I don't want it to fall. And then over here we have our ginger nut biscuit. There's 3 of them. Okay, and then coming down here we have some Asda. These are all Aldi's own tortilla chips from Aldi. And then over here, this is from Asda. It's the Redox. It's £1.99 from Asda. I got 2 of them. And then we have some Feral washing liquid from Iceland, £2.50. And then I got this medium egg noodles. I want to do some stir fry. Okay, from Aldi. They are 80p, either 80p or 85p for 1. Okay, and then we have some tin milk. We have 8 tin milk there, and we also have some green top milk. There's 2 of them. Okay, so over here we have some roast ham for sandwich. I got 3 of them. There's 3 of them there. Okay, and then over here I have some yogurt, the one my children like, the corner. I got 2 for £4.50. And then we have some plain flour from Aldi. That's from Iceland. It's from Aldi. And then I've showed you guys the sugar already. Okay, and then over here, this is new in Iceland. It's sweet chili, £1.80. So I bought 2. That's the second one from Iceland. Okay, and then over here we have some barbecue sauce. I bought 4 of them. My children like barbecue, so I bought 4 of them. We have some ketchup here. I got 4 ketchup as well. Ketchup. And then over here we have some pasta sauce. This one is smooth tomato. The other one is garlic. It's some onion and garlic, one of each. Okay, so I got some spring onions. This is my first time of actually seeing purple spring onion, okay, or red spring onion, whatever you want to call it. So this is a normal spring onion, 49p, Aldi. Okay, so this sauce, they're from Aldi. So this is 49p spring onions from Aldi. This one is my first time of seeing it. Purple, they are doing 30% off it. I can't even remember the price, but this is my first time of seeing the purple or red spring onion. Okay, and then I got my stir fry mix to make the noodles. Okay, yeah, so we got the stir fry mix. Okay guys, yeah, and then over here we have some mayonnaise, so you guys can see it over there. I got 3 mayonnaise there. Okay, please give this video a thumbs up, smash the like button guys. And then over here we have some mild cheese cheddar. I got 3 of them. Normally I would have gotten 4, but I'm trying to make it 3 because the kids sometimes, it's like when they see too much they just waste it, and I don't want them to be wasting it. So we have some burger buns. I'm sure you guys know this from Iceland. It's now increased. The price have now increased to £1.60. It was £1.50 before. It's now £1.60. So I got 2 of them. Okay, yeah. And then we have some chicken nuggets here, which you guys already know I normally get. It's £5. Okay, and then I got this sandwich because I'm going to work later today in the evening. So I got sandwich to eat. I haven't eaten, so I got this sandwich for myself. And you guys know I have to get plantain. I didn't see the green one, so I have to get this from Asda, 90p for 1. So I got 2. Okay, and I have to get my calipo. Okay, this is from Iceland. These are the main reason I went to Iceland. Calipo, chicken nugget, and chips. So the calipo is they are doing £1.50 for 1 pack now in Iceland. I don't think they are doing offer on it, but they are doing offer in some other lolly, but I'm not sure if this was included. 3 for £5. I wasn't sure because I didn't check the receipt, but 1 is £1.50 for 1. Okay, and over here we have our breaded stuff over here. So we have this roll. This is quite nice for sandwich or just peanut butter. Is this metro rolls? I bought just 1 of it. And then I bought normal brown wholemeal bread. There's 4 of them. There's 4. And then over here I got some brioche milk roll. There's 3 of them. There's 1 more at the bottom. There's 3 of them. And then I also got some bagels. 3 bagels. 1, 2, 3. So I got 3 bagels. And also I like Aldi, or I only do Irish cream. It's, for me, this is much easier to drink. The real Baileys, I don't know, for some reasons it's very difficult for me to drink it, but these ones are very easy for me to drink. This is now £4 something. It was initially £3 something. It's now £4 something. Okay, so I bought just 1, of course. And then I got some summer juice. Aldi. I got some apple juice. I want to have it with my sandwich. Just 1. It was 70p or 79p. Okay, coming to this side, we have some eggs here. I got 2 crates of egg Aldi. I got this Weetabix. You guys can already see the name there, from Asda, £2.40. And then over here we have some hoops for the kids Aldi. I got 2 of them. And then this is my first time of buying, well, maybe not my first time, but this is the first time I will buy a bigger pack of all these chips. Okay, I bought 2 of them. That's the second one. But I also went to buy chips as well from Iceland, because initially I was not thinking of going to Iceland, but then when my daughter said there's no chicken nuggets, I went to Iceland and I decided to just buy the one I normally buy, £2. And also we buy some hash brown from Aldi. There's 2 of them there. And of course the waffles are from Aldi. It's more cheaper a little bit there. they are 99p now, so it's like 1p difference really. So I got 3 of them. And then we also have this chicken burger. Okay, chicken burger. I think that is all. I'm not sure if there's any other thing that I've not shown you guys. Yeah, I think that is all I actually bought in today's shopping. Okay, so our weekly shopping for today. Okay, so apparently I spent 63 pounds. No, actually 68 pounds in Aldi. So you guys can work it out. I spent 68 pounds. That is the nearest. It was 67 pounds some pence. So I just ran it to the nearest. So I spent 68 pounds in Aldi. I spent 30 pounds exact on the dot in Iceland. And then I spent 13 pounds and some pence in Asda. So you guys can just work it out. Okay, so I don't know if it's up to 140, but as I say, 68 pounds Aldi, 30 pounds Iceland, that's 60, 70, 80, 90, 13 pounds, 13 pounds in Asda. So that's like 90, 100 pounds. Let's just say 100 pounds. Oh, okay, so it's not up to 140, guys. So it's 100 pounds, 100 pounds. It's because I haven't calculated it. That was why I was just guesstimating. But it's 100 pounds. Wow, that's good for the first time. That's because I didn't buy so much things. You can see that everything fits into the table. If I buy what I normally buy, you know, it would have been probably 100 and something. But it's 100 pounds. Okay, guys. Yeah, so that's this week's shopping. Hope you guys enjoy watching. And you guys can go and get yourself some cheap food. I suppose Aldi and Lidl, they are a bit more affordable right now. I still think Asda is a bit affordable still as well. Yeah, depends on what you are really buying, because they tend to do offers here and there as well in Asda as well. So I think Asda is still affordable as well. Okay, yeah guys, so this is this week's shopping. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.